When you start out building a business, it can be so overwhelming. There are so many things you could do to grow a successful business. The problem is an overwhelmed mind doesn't lead a successful business. In this video today, I'm going to show you what you need to do to set yourself up for success. And I'm going to give you a tool to come back to every time you start to feel lost or overwhelmed to move you forward. Hi, I'm Sonia Brown, founder of the Balloon Biz Academy. And today I want to show you the 3 things you need to do now to take the first steps to building a successful business. These are the 3 things I started doing way back at the beginning of my journey with my balloon business. I got to a point where I was running around like a headless chicken doing way too much for very little profit. I lacked clarity and I was not in control of my business. So the first thing I want you to do is grab a brand new notebook. This is going to become your business journal. I really believe in the power of the pen. I've done this so many times throughout my life. Writing something down sets it as an intention in your mind, and it helps you realize your dreams. When I was in medical sales, I wanted to be salesperson of the year, and in every new notebook I wrote on the front page, February conference, I will be on the stage receiving the coveted Salesperson of the Year award. And sure enough, I did. With my balloon business, I wrote in my notebooks, by the time I'm 40, I want to be running my own creative business. At the time of writing it, I actually thought it would be a photography business, but at 38, I started running my balloons business. The Balloon Biz Academy I wrote in my goals journal over a year ago. The intention was I wouldn't actually be running it until I was 50, but here I am 3 years earlier doing it. There honestly is power in journaling and setting intentions in your mind. So let's get your very own success journal started. This is where you're going to condition your mindset to achieve what you want from your life. Successful people work hard on maintaining a successful mindset. They have vision and purpose that get up every day ready to work towards this, and you need to define what your vision and purpose is too. You need to know where you're heading, because if you don't know what success looks like or what it means to you, how on earth are you going to find it? When you have no direction, your business journey looks like this. You waste so much time doing stuff that doesn't move you closer to the life you want because you don't really know where you're going. It's like trying to find your way in the dark. So on the first page of your journal, I want you to write Destination Success. This is going to be your journal to document your journey there. On the next page, I want you to write where you are right now. How is business going? What frustrations and challenges are you experiencing? How are you feeling right now? What's good and you're grateful for? And what do you want to be different? What are the obstacles you need to overcome? And when do you need to do this by? Don't overthink this. Just go with whatever flows. Now, on the next page, I want you to write what destination success looks like. You don't have to have it all figured out right now, but just write what sort of life you will be leading when you get there. What does your business look like? What sort of jobs will you be doing? How will you feel running your business? What will your personal life look like? And what sort of person will you be? Write it as though you're standing in the future. Use words like I am doing rather than I will be, as this is far more powerful to your subconscious mind. You can do this with pictures, and I do advocate this too. But by thinking and transferring the thoughts through your body into your pen, it really helps set your intention in your subconscious mind. At the end, I want you to write, this is my future for the making. I am committed to this. I will make this happen. Moving forward, use this journal to write in regularly. Post updates of how business is going and journal around solutions to obstacles. Store fabulous ideas you want to come back to and look at how you're moving along your path, hitting goals and moving towards success. Just write whatever's in your head, get it out on paper. It prevents overwhelm and it brings greater clarity. Revisit and add what success looks like as you grow and develop. I like to go back to my success definition at least monthly. I allow myself to dream and add loads of details, because the more you visualize it through journaling, the more likely it is to happen. Spending a few minutes daydreaming the future increases motivation, and it inspires me to get stuff done and stick to the plan. Second, I want you to set yourself some goals for the next 90 days. There's been so much research to say that 90 days are perfect for goal setting. It's long enough to get stuck into a decent sized project, but short enough that you don't lose interest or focus. You don't want to set too many targets either, just because it becomes overwhelming then. So limit it to 2 or 3 things you want to achieve. Goals and targets are your signposts along your journey. They're your milestones to get to destination success. They don't need to be complicated or overthought. They just need to be measurable and achievable with a bit of a stretch. It might be that you want to get 10 corporate orders for Christmas balloons, for example. So keep it simple with steps that are actionable. Like, I will approach 10 businesses this month to propose Christmas balloons to. Now, you're far more likely to come up with a list of businesses and to get out there because you've set a target that will help you grow. And 3 or 4 businesses a week is very actionable. The key here is not to overwhelm yourself with a long list of things to do. If you have a long list, you simply won't buy into it or action it, so keep it simple. Then every day I want you to ask yourself what action you will take today to move towards the goal. So 90 days is 90 actions, and that can provide a huge movement by the end of 90 days. They don't have to be big steps either. It could be day 1, write a list of businesses. Day 2, decide what offer I'm going to take to them. Day 3, write down what I'm going to say when I go in. Day 4, physically pop into 2 businesses today and position my offer to them. Day 5, I could ring up the 2 businesses I saw last week to follow up and see if they're ready to order. Day 6, I could send all the managers I've seen this month where I've collected their emails an email with a testimonial as to the difference balloons can make to the number of people that they've seen coming in store, for example. None of these things are going to take all day. They're easy to fit in even to the busiest of days, and they'll help you achieve your goals. Remember, businesses only grow when you take consistent actions that move you towards your goals and dreams. Third, I want you to find and print some affirmations and motivational quotes that really speak to you. I want you to plaster them everywhere, all over your home, your business, your phone screen, your computer screen, just everywhere. I want you to be able to see them when you get up in the morning, when you're having lunch, when you're making balloons, even in the car. Get immersed in those words. Choose words that are going to inspire you. They're going to give you energy and excitement in your belly at what you can achieve. Words to keep you going when you're tired and want to give up, and words that will continue to condition your mind for success. The best words are the ones that make you feel positive and ready to take action without fear. When this happens, you can really create amazing. My absolute favourite affirmation is, I can, I will, watch me. I learnt this from Carrie Green at the Female Entrepreneur Association, and it lifts my confidence. It motivates me instantly to go and do something that will move my business forward. Another one I love is by Mindfully Glam, and it's simply, will it be easy? No. Will it be worth it? Absolutely. It reminds me that challenges are part of the process, but as I move past them, I'm moving towards the life and business I want. If you need inspiration for words and quotes that speak to you, check out my Pinterest board full of motivational quotes and affirmations. Read them and say them often to move your mindset to a place where you're ready to make your future happen. So there you go, 3 simple things that you can do today which are incredibly powerful to start you on a positive path towards reaching destination success. Remember, success doesn't just happen. It's something you have to consciously decide, condition yourself for, and then take actions that move you towards it. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to follow me on Facebook to see every week's 10-minute masterclass. They're all about helping you run and grow your business. So until next time, stay amazing and bye for now. Hey guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and make sure you subscribe. On YouTube, you can click the bell, or on Facebook, you can like and follow the page to get notifications of new videos as they come out. Be sure to check out the free resource library on the Bloom Biz Academy. It's packed full of information to help you get the fundamentals right in your business, and covers things like pricing, managing your helium supplies, marketing, all the things you need to get your business out there so you can grow and scale your business. I'm on a mission this year to help 1,000 balloon business owners, and I sincerely hope you're one of them. So until next time, stay amazing and bye for now.